All right, so welcome to Agent CRM, and I just wanted to show you how to access it and some really cool features that you're going to have access to for the duration of your campaign. So this is where you log in. Just put your email and password that you get sent from us. Go ahead and sign in. And this is going to be your dashboard here. This is where you could see everything. This is where you're going to be able to keep track of everything. The most important place for you is going to be right here with your Contacts tab. If you click on Contacts and click on Contacts again, this is where all of your leads are going to show up in this one nice, neat place. If I were you, I would go ahead and change it to date added. Date added descending, just so that you can keep them in order here. As you can tell, you'll have name, email, phone. You'll see when they entered. You'll see that they are a giveaway entry in case you use this for another time. You can even change your date. So, you could make the date, if you only want to see the people from, the last 7 days, you could check that box and this would update. You can change that just so, things are easier to see. If you're getting a lot of leads, you might want to go ahead and change that to 100. But that's a way to kind of keep track of things. And then what you can do is if you need to look at a lead, you can click on their information, click on that lead, and you will see all the information pull up right here. And then if you click on additional info, you'll see the answers to their questions. So if you have, if these were your questions, you would see the first one was no, yes, and then no. And then the really, really cool part about Agent CRM is that you can keep track of the entire conversation that you're having with the leads, whether it's a text message or emails. So as you can look right here and you can see that the first message, the little thank you text message that we send out, that was sent. We have that initial email that's sent out as soon as they opt in, that was sent, and then the second email was sent. Now, let's say that you've talked to this person. You can actually send them a text message just by clicking that button down there. Down here you have two options: send SMS, send email. So if you want to send them a quick text, maybe you said, hey, I noticed that you said you wanted to learn more about whatever insurance. You can just send them a text message, or you could send them a quick email. Obviously, this will have your information on it, not mine. You can send them a quick email. You can even attach a file or anything like that. And you can send it and it'll show up right here. And again, the cool thing is if they reply back, it'll show up right here. So this is where you would want to look if they reply back. And you'll see that there, that they replied back here. If they reply to an email, it'll show up right here. You can see what they did. And then finally, I want to show you these up right here. So you have a notes option. Maybe you want to add a little note about this person. Maybe they made a comment or just some sort of note that you need to take. You can just click here to create a new note, and you could say this person is a great lead. I don't know what you'd want to say. And click save, and that's just going to be there. This person is a great lead. It was made by me. Or if they do not schedule an appointment themselves, but they say, hey, call me, maybe you want to schedule an appointment with them. What you can do is click on appointment right here. Click here to create a new appointment. The giveaway leads, that's the calendar that we made for you. You can choose the day. You can choose the time slot. You can make notes if you want, and you can click save. And so that would create an appointment with that lead, which would be really cool. So, they have the opportunity to set their own appointment, but if they don't, that's why we have this option that you can set one with them. And just so you know, a reminder, if an appointment is created with your lead, it will stop the email and the text messaging sequence. So we did want to let you know that it will do that. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to see your emails and your text messages.